We are reporting live from Elrod Hall. Just enjoy it and live it and find your own path in life, right?
Set at least 5 alarms because Lane has a hard time waking up.
I'm feeling good, happy to be moving into college, and I'm ready for the next step in life.
He's ready. I think he feels so supported, and yeah, I think he's ready for whatever comes.
It has not sunk in yet. I was coming up here and I was so excited, and then I got in here and I was like, oh, I don't feel any different. But I was like, oh, tonight I'm gonna be oh my gosh, I'm in college.
So his great-grandmother and great-grandfather graduated here around 1923. And so he's a 100-year legacy.
Get really good grades. Don't get in any trouble. I don't want any calls from the dean, okay? And boys are off limits.
I'm from Belgrade.
I'm from Bozeman.
Why UM?
Best business school in the state.
Same reason.
Mix of emotions, right? Proud of him, but sad to see him go.
Yes, I'm feeling emotional. This moment is not too big for her. She's ready for it. She's got a couple good parents that got her ready.
Third daughter that's going, and I'm just so glad that she chose U of M because this is a fantastic university, and it's close to home, but yet far enough away so she can still come back occasionally.
There's a lot of messages. No boys. Remember that what you do in the moment can last with you forever. The only easy day was yesterday, and just keep pushing forward, sweetie.
We came up here to visit the cabin and I fell in love with the area. Y'all also have a great criminology program and law program, and that's what I'm going for.
Just get straight A's. That would be great. Now explore, enjoy, grow. It's a perfect time. It's most people's favorite time in life is college.